Let's move on to building materials. I start with acrylic gel to build the broken corner of the nail. To do this, I take a small drop, place it on the nail, wet the brush with acrylic gel liquid, and use gentle pressing movements to shape the acrylic gel. To work with this material, you do not need a nail form, since the acrylic gel does not flow. It is flexible and easy to shape. Curing for 30 seconds. After curing, I remove the tacky layer and correct the shape with a nail file. In this case, I will use a cover rubber gel, thus combining two materials, taking advantage of the capabilities of one and the other. First, I apply it with a thin layer. Then I apply a bit more as a leveling layer and help spread it. All mosaic materials can be combined with each other. Once I'm done applying, I let the gel cure for 60 seconds on low power mode. After polymerization, I remove the tacky layer and file the nail, bringing it to its ideal shape. Nail forms are used to extend the free edge. I apply the form to the natural nail. Mosaic nail forms are matte, and the gel is very visible on them. I apply a thin layer of gel to the prepared nail. Sculptex is a builder gel in a bottle. And with the same gel, I extend the free edge. This type of gel is used for small salon extensions of up to 5 mm. I cure it in a lamp for 60 seconds. After curing, I carefully remove the form with a gentle downward motion. Here is my free edge. I remove the tacky layer and file the nail to the required shape using a 180 grit abrasive file. After filing, I brush off the dust. There are many colors of cover gel in Mosaic. I choose the right shade. If the nail requires significant extension, I will use a builder gel. To model the free edge, I'll use the nail form again. After that, I take a small drop to model the free edge. I level the gel along the free edge bringing it onto the nail bed in a thin layer. Then I cure it in a lamp for 60 seconds on low power mode. After curing, I remove the nail form with a downward movement and add the required amount of builder gel mainly to the nail bed area. I cure it for 60 seconds using the progressive curing mode. This mode, with a gradual increase in power, is designed to cure the gel as gently as possible and minimize the possible effect of an exothermic reaction. After removing the tacky layer, I file, bringing the nail to its ideal shape.